called the leading edge. And this one is called the trailing edge. The trailing edge is the exit of the air, and the leading edge is the input, the first area in contact with the air. Exactly the same with the water. The first area in contact with the water, this area is the leading edge, and that area in the back is the trailing edge, the exit. That's okay? The water touches here and goes out here. Everybody follow me? Sure? All right, exactly the same over there. Why the captain of the airplane moved down the leading edge during the takeoff and during the landing? In those two moments, during the takeoff and during the landing, they go down the leading edge and go down the trailing edge. Both of them. Why? What happened with both of them are inclined a little down? Increase the sustentation and reduce the drag. Reduce the drag and increase the sustentation a lot. When he inclines this and this, increase the sustentation. Of course, when you try to take off the airplane, you want more lift. No? Okay. When you incline those elements, those surface control, the airplane lifts easily. The same when you try to touch the ground. When you try to touch the ground, you need a lot of sustentation, a lot of lift to touch easily. If not, what happened? Ta 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 ta. Because not too much sustentation in that specific moment, because it's a fraction of seconds. Yes or not? All right. This is moving the leading edge down and moving the trailing edge a little down. You increase the sustentation. Oh, Mr. Lopez, but this is in the airplane. Yes, in the airplane it's possible adjust the leading edge and adjust the trailing edge with the flaps. In the boat, no. In the boat, no, because the blade is fixed. And this is the leading edge, and this is the trailing edge, and it's not possible moving. In outboard, this area have a small cup. Danny will talk about that later. In your boat, that surface is fixed. That surface is fixed. It's not possible to move it. It's fixed. It's not adjustable. All right. The surface in first contact with the water is leading edge, and the surface at the exit is trailing edge. And what is the name of that surface? Open the book. That surface is black, and the other one is the face. This is the face of the blade, and this is the back of the blade. That's okay? Cavitation. My friend, we are going to talk a lot of times in different courses about cavitation. And also we are going to talk about other phenomenon that is confused. It's ventilation. The people confuse ventilation with cavitation. Okay? Let me explain quickly what is the meaning of cavitation. Pay attention. When the water enters here and the water goes out over there, what happens if this edge of the blade is a little bended or with a dent over there? What happens when the water tries to go out here? Follow me. The water enters here and the water goes out over there. What happens if this edge is a little bended or with a little dent in this surface? A lot of the water tries to curve like this and create a bubble in this area. You understand? If you have dents over there or bended a little, the water tries to create a curve over there and produce a big bubble here in this area. When the speed of the propeller increases, what happens with the diameter of that bubble? Expand. and suddenly that bubble exploded and eroded the metal here. This is cavitation. It's simple. You understand? It's basically the explosion of bubbles against the surface, producing erosion. This is cavitation. My friend, this propeller is working all the time, submerged in the water. That propeller is not working outside. When this propeller is working a little outside, produce ventilation in the area that is exposed outside of the water. That's okay? But the propellers that are working inside of the water all the time only produce cavitation, explosion of bubbles. Right? Cavitation, what is the meaning of cavitation? Explosion of bubbles, It's explosion of bubbles. Later we are going to see that when this area is completely eroded, it's because it's a lot of cavitation. Give me a reason for cavitation in this area of the blade. One reason is, I explained before, damage the propeller. It's not perfect. Oh yeah, I have sense, it's bended. For that reason it's corroded, not corroded, eroded here. That's clear? This is one reason. Other reason, for a lot of erosion over there. One reason is dents, cracks, growth. Okay. Other one is a lot of speed, overspeed. Oh, you operate that propeller over the limit of the speed. That's not good. Excessive pitch. Later we are going to talk about that. Too much pitch. Yeah, produce a lot of cavitation. But basically it's damage on the surface and overspeed. Which way? Right? It's overspeed and damage on the blade, on the surface of the blade. Okay, don't forget that. Inboard gasoline in between 900 and 5,000. Inboard diesel in between 900 and 2,500. That's okay? Inboard speed, RPMs. Ready? Okay. Oh, look at this. Cavitation. Cavitation, my friends. You see the cavitation? The bubbles. The explosion of the bubbles produce that erosion. Erosion here. Erosion here. Look at the cavitation. Nice, no? It's basically explosion of bubbles.